Okay, here we have another server, HP DL580 G2, so it's an older model. As these power supplies don't pull out, but I've got another one down here. I think they're the same power supplies. I'll show you how many watts these are. I can't get the power supplies out of this one, I don't know why yet. They are 800 watts. So two of them, dual redundant, so well, obviously you can run it with one, because that's running with one down there. Here we have the inside, RAM under here. Just earth yourself on the case. Not really earth yourself, it's not plugged in, but they always say just touch the case even though there's no power, no earth attached. Apparently that's alright. RAM, it's full, it's got 6 gigs in there. You can obviously upgrade it with more DIMMs here. And yeah, these are stacked on top of each other. Look. There's a double DIMM, I don't know what you call those. Another slot for memory there, and you put another tray in there. They're hot swap as well, so yeah, it kind of makes things more interesting. Processors, an air baffle here. It does work, I'm not tough as nails anyway. Big fans, for any of you like fans. You can hear a few of them running now in the background on the other computer, server, whatever. Processors, under there, 2.5 gigahertz each. They have an only single core, 1 megabyte level 2 catch and something like 2 megabyte level 3 catch. That's capacitors under there in that metal box. This is when capacitor plague was rife in computers. And all the big ones were sealed in metal boxes, or anything under high voltage anyway. That's all high voltage under there. All that side of the motherboard, yeah, you can get a pretty nasty shock off there. Mains input, look. Takes 2 big ass square connectors, single phase, 16 amps. I think it's the most it can take. Oh, no, it's not 16 amps, probably, I don't know what amperage is, but I'm told 16 amps, but that works fine. So that's like maximum load. Even though, I don't know, maybe these two power supplies have work together on the maximum load. I've heard that, but I've never had a problem with that one, so it must just be 13 amps. Ethernet card. Graphics again is just crappy ATI Rage, XL. Serverworks chipset. Plastic shit you don't really need. Not as bad as the other server, that really got my nerves and pulled it out. There really isn't much else in this part of it to show. RAM slots goes. I think I'll put this in the other server anyway. Didn't go in properly. It's very difficult to do this on camera. Unlocked. I hope I didn't go in. It's very weird. Oh, silly me, supposed to put the CPU cooler air baffle thing back in place. There. I'll do a power on video of this as well. There we go. In there, there it goes. Caution, blah blah blah, it's been installed. System cooling, obviously it will fry itself. It's 4 Xeons under there, so it gets pretty hot. They're hyper threaded, so it's effectively 8 cores. It seems like 8 cores, but it's not, it's just 4. This was, you never guess the price I got this for. I got this for £12. Yeah, 12 fucking pounds, and it all works. That I paid like 70 for over there. Ray controller. Oh yeah, we've got ray controllers on here. That's one interesting thing. And you only have like, it might be 128, it might be 64. I think it is 128 on these. Less hard drives though. You have 4 Seems in. Not flush with the lid though, so that can't be. That is it. Quite difficult to do on camera, so. It must be. Must be in. There's nothing. Yeah, it's in the slot. Just damn China. Build quality's not the best, I wouldn't have said. Put it on lock. You can actually take that out while the system is on. You can pull the RAM out. And yeah. Hot plug PCI and PCIX. Cover. And it's open under here. Oh, by the way, I don't really long. Oh no, I'm not going to open that. Sorry, I'll open that on another video because that's a lot of nasty, sharp edges on these things. Yeah, it's going to be a pain in the arse to shut off the camera. I haven't got rails for this one, I've got rails for that one, I haven't got enclosure for it, so. Yeah, that concludes this video. Goodbye.